A slight chance of... The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 289, effective until 02:00 a.m. Monday. This watch includes the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Saunders, and Seward. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 289 has been issued until 02:00 a.m. Monday for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Saunders, and Seward.